This is a 3D printed idea I've been working on to sort screws. It's a bunch of little sections that have holes in them, and the lower you go, the smaller they go. And what it's for is sorting piles of junk screws. You just grab a handful of screws, drop it in there, shake it around a little bit, and then you get the bigger screws staying in the top part, and the smaller screws going in the bottom part. The very smallest ones go even lower. I'm working on adding more pieces that go in between these, so I'm getting all confused on the numbers. But I think I want to have a 2mm hole, a 3mm hole, a 4mm hole, probably 5, and then 8, and then 10. That would probably work pretty well. The little tiny holes don't work very well for 3D printing. It does seem to catch laptop screws and glasses screws, so it's kind of useful, but it's really hard to print. But then again, everybody else has a better printer, so maybe it's worth having something like that, or even smaller. Anyway, we'll try sorting some more here. Alright, there's nothing left in the big one. These are actually all sorted from the big one from earlier. Some there. And some there. And there we go. We've got a bucket of really small screws, a bucket of kind of small screws, and well, we would have a bucket of even larger screws, but I've been dumping them back in the unsorted bucket. Anyway, so yeah, it sorts screws.